Welcome to our channel. Today our topic is how to create a ceiling lights in Revit families. So for that, see, already I done some models in Revit architectural. Now we need to create the ceiling lights. So for that, go share file, new, families, under, see, check this Revit 2018 families under English I tablet selected here. So then go here, select the ceiling light option. See, here we have metric linear lighting fixtures ceiling based. So select that, then open. So here we need to change the units first, shortcut UN, then go here, select the feet and fractional option, OK. Then select this light. See, here we have different light sources definitions. So for example, I'm going to select the emit from shape, and then I need to reflect like this. So select that one, apply, OK. See, here it's selected. Then go to create option, select the extrusion. Here whatever shape you need, you can make that type. For example, here I make like a circular shape, that is in 1 feet, and inside I'll make the like this. Select this. See, here we have option that is in rotate, copy, place, center point from here to here. Same thing, select both, rotate, then give finish. See, this is the model. Then go to front view, Z, enter. Here we need to adjust the ceiling height. See, this is our ceiling, so that's what I just select this, drag down, and again go to the ceiling level. It means roof reference level 1, create extrusion. Here I'm selecting circular shape from here to here. Then go to the front view, finish. I just drag it down. So here we need to apply the material. For that, go to material option, go here, create new material, right click, rename, that is 2, go to the access browser. See, here I'm going to check glass, GLASS, enter, glass. See, here we have lighting bulb on, apply, OK. See, after that I select this one, go to buy material option, create new material, right click, rename, that is 1, go to access browser. Here I'm going for metal, select this. Here what kinds of colors you need, you can select that one. For example, I'm going to select something like this, apply, OK. After that you select the light, go to, see here, family type option, and then here the light sources symbol 2 feet is there. If you need to reduce means you can reduce. For example, I'm going to change 1 feet, then light loss factor 1, and then the initial intensity. If you need intensity means you can change here. For example, I'm going to give 3400, and OK, and the intensity colors. Intensity color, what color you need, you can change here. Here yellow color is there, is it OK? And then color fill is there, no, that is you can change how you need, you can change like that. So that's it, this is only we need to change here, apply, OK. After that go to 3D view, you check it once here, go to realistic, see this is our light, and then go to file. Before that we can save this, save family document, just I give you LI because this is light now, save, and then load into project. So this is our project. Go to 3D view, a little bit, home icon, okay, CM, see here already it's selected, I placed here, I placed 3-4 lights, then press escape, wait I'll show you in realistic view, so that is already in realistic view only, right? After that go to render settings, because we need to set that rendering, then only we can able to see that lightings. So just RR enter, then go here draft quality is enough, here I am going to select artificial only, go to the render process. Let's wait. I think you got it, the information how to create the ceiling lights. Thank you. Just here I am using low quality, that's what it's appear like this. If you are giving high quality means it is appear very well. So thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.